What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We're back on Lumentale. Yesterday was Minecraft, and today we're back in Lumentale. So, I actually didn't do anything since last time, although I said I was going to level up my lumens. No, animons. They're called animons. I keep forgetting. Can I not TP anywhere? Well, guys, you see, there's only one problem, and that is that I have not touched this game in over a week. So, I do not remember anything at all. Last time I played was with you lot on video. And I'm not gonna lie, after yesterday, I'm so glad to be back on this game. Yesterday was one of my biggest fails yet. I died again. Again. To a dumb ass creeper. I can't flip and believe this. Oh, you can run on this game. You just have to press Y. See, these things that do not explain to me. Maybe they even did. And I just didn't know because I don't pay attention to the dialogues. Is there no way to go down? There should be. Yeah, I'm gonna skip everyone. I'm not even gonna talk to anyone. We're just gonna go for the quest. But yeah, so yesterday I died to a creeper again. I'm gonna have to farm full iron armor and tools again. I'm actually devastated. Oh, look, I am following. It is so cute. I'm so glad I picked, I'm so glad I picked him. No, please don't bother me. See, there's only one problem. I swear we, like, had an ability. Well, actually, you know what? Let's just fight these ones. Um, let's fight these guys. Here we go. Wait, am I not meant to have another one? Oh yeah, he's dead. I completely forgot he's dead. I'm just gonna go back to the... Um, how is it that you saw the details again? Well, it doesn't really matter. We're just gonna attack them with this and see if it's weak or what. Very weak. Blood. I'm just gonna quickly go back to the fountain after this fight. By the way, this game is gonna be the longer playthrough. So like probably it's gonna be the least unedited um format. So like it's gonna take still like an hour per episode. Well, you're gonna see longer episodes for this. I'm gonna edit it, yeah, for sure. Polish it a little bit. Probably gonna remove some useless bits and maybe try and test out time lapses. Yeah, I've been trying to improve on my editing, but you know, it's never the best. Come on, come on. Oh, my laptop is a bit slow. I apologize. That's what it is when you play games on the laptop, especially when it's not even a gaming laptop. This laptop was bought with the purposes of sort of gaming, so it can handle some games. However, is he now okay? I don't know what sauce. Yeah, okay. Rest, I think. Let me do until morning. Next day. Here we go. So yeah, this laptop is not intended for gaming, especially now because I'm making videos. So it's even heavier for the laptop. It's gonna struggle a little bit. But hey, we're on a budget and we do what we gotta do. Plus, I'm not gonna lie, it's not even that bad. I'm gonna try one more time because you know, no, this is crazy. I'm not sure if there's a way to like calibrate it because this is actually a nightmare. Yeah, no, okay. Shame. Not again, not again. Thing is, these guys just keep spawning regardless, so I can't even check how to break these rocks. I thought they were gonna give me a skills at the end of last episode, but they ended up not giving me. So I'm just gonna have to go around. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like the small fox. I wonder, because as I said on the last episode, I have no clue about this game. So I wonder if there is a concept of shinies in this game as well, or if it's gonna be like, oh, fountain discovered. Or I was gonna say if it's gonna be like Pokemon where they're gonna have like 1 in 4,000 chance, almost 4,000, whatever it is. Oh, new one. Let me see the sprite on this one. The design. I'm actually quite curious. Oh, it's a rabbit. It's a very, 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 very big rabbit. Scan. Okay. Okay. Doesn't do too much damage, although it's level 7, so it's not a great. I'm still gonna try with this, even though it says question mark, because I don't have any other move. It was not weak to the other one. Luckily, there's a fountain nearby, so we can just rest. There we go. Another one's down. There we go. Got it. So we run, we run, we... Oh, flipping me. See, there's something that to a lot of people is annoying, but I actually quite like. Even in Pokemon games, unless you have like a flying skill. With like a flying Pokemon, you have to walk, and a lot of people don't like this aspect of the game. They find it quite boring. Well, of course, in the later hours of the game, it can be boring. Oh, to me, it's super relaxing because look at this. Look at this. You get to enjoy such scenery for free. Oh, I heard something. Did we just get caught in a... I'm getting this one. I feel like this one is a rare Pokemon. So I'm gonna take my time to scan it. I wouldn't want to kill it. Resistance to Psycho. Okay. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna happily take the damage. It's not something I'm mad about. I might just go pound. Pound is weak. Okay. So I'm gonna press pound one more time. If I don't crit, I think there's the concept of critting even in this game. But if I don't crit, I should be okay. No way. I literally just said, that's actually a bummer. Come on. I have a feeling that this was like a fairly rare Pokemon as well. That's actually really, really annoying for me. Oops. That's actually really, really, really annoying for me. I don't think we need to press rest. As soon as we saw the... Oh, so there are items. Okay. By the way, never in this type of games, never ever gloss over these types of items. I'm gonna try one more time to capture it. Maybe I get a stroke of luck. Maybe. Oh, I hear something. Oh, yes, he is. Then is he actually that rare? If we saw him. Let's go forward. You know what? Let's just go forward. We're in the quest area again. Let me try and... No, right. It doesn't work. I can't really do anything, regardless. Whether I switch or anything. It doesn't allow me to do anything. Okay. Worst comes to worst. Oh my goodness. This Pokemon, or this Animon, looks insane. Is this what the concept of legendaries is in this game? In that case, I'd be really, really excited. Yo. Okay, I'm not gonna lie though, I feel like it's gonna whoop our asses pretty easily, especially because I said I was gonna level up. I completely forgot. I went to record Minecraft, and after what happened yesterday, I lost all my will to play games. Level 11! There is no chance I'm... He's probably resistant to water, but he's gonna one-tap me, 100%. Could I be resistant to... Twice? Oh, that's bad. Well, the thing is, even if I use a potion, right? He's just gonna double attack me again. Yeah, and he's gonna attack me again. Okay. You know what? Let's just do this. So he's weak to wind. We're gonna take that. We're gonna do it again. It's useless. I'm just gonna go to the fountain. Yeah, I figured. So we're gonna die regardless. We're at 1 HP, quite unlucky. And I'm actually quite confused because I thought I had the other Animon as well, given from the professor. Oh, so it was... Oh, no, no, man, it wasn't. I was gonna say, was the script? Where did our other Animon go? We had two. I feel like then I'm forced to do this. I feel like I'm... Like they want me to catch another one. They probably want me to focus on the starter. But they potentially also want me to catch another one. So I'm just gonna catch this one because out of all of them that I've seen, he looks like the most interesting Animon. We might have an interesting case like Chandelure. I'm gonna do Pound. And he's level 7, he's much stronger, so that did absolutely nothing. Wonderful. That did some damage though. And that too. Okay. I'm afraid that if I use something like this, I might... We're gonna have to risk it. Please don't kill. This is so annoying. I'm just gonna kill this one too. I'm not really interested into this one. So I'm gonna kill him, go back to Fountain, and I'm gonna try and capture him again. However, this time, I'm gonna hope that it's not a 2 battle. Maybe if I do it from the start, he might survive it, especially if he's like high level. I'm just gonna do this. There you go. $89 XP. MVP. Cool. We're back in battle. Just right now. I'm gonna attempt again with this and hope. Oh, it's weak. It's dead. It's definitely dead. Oh no, it's not. Perfect. I was gonna say, if... Wait, how do you capture him again? Don't you just... Well, I can't switch. What does pass do? Oh, it literally just passes a turn. Oh my god, I forgot how to capture in this game. Oh no. Because like the usual button doesn't work. Wait, so can you not... I'm a bit confused. Because I thought it was going to be in items. But it's not. I don't want to attack it. I can't switch. Oh, there you go. For some reason it didn't let me press the riot. But should be pretty easy. There we go. Hard fought victory for sure. Well, let me check. Did it come full health? Oh, of course not. I mean, we have a chance. Should I capture one more? Like, as a sacrificial lamb type of animal? I'll go nearby, capture one. Oh, he's attracted. The thing is, I don't understand. How can I get them? Like, it doesn't let me. It doesn't let me like battle them. Oh, like I'll show you again. Doesn't let me battle them, or doesn't let me catch them. There's nothing I can really do. Let's try said quest again. Then. Oh, never mind. They were just here. Oh, look at the mini map on the top right. That's very cute. Very cutesy, very cutesy. Is there any secret items that I need to be aware of? Probably not. There we go. Skip everyone. Yeah, I think I would have to battle again, but probably just gonna level up a little bit. Gonna battle a few Pokemons. Guys, look what I found. A berry. I think we're now powerful enough. We should be able to handle them. Should be able to handle the boss. We have now got a high chance. Yeah, we're going. Worst comes to worst. Gonna do it again. Yeah, skip this. We've seen this. I'm gonna have to see if I can catch this guy. Even though it's a boss. Imagine having this in your team at the start of the game. I'm gonna check if it even is an option. So we enter the battle, that's fine. No, it doesn't let me, unfortunately. So we're gonna attack with the wind. Doesn't do a whole lot of damage, even though they're the same exact level. Yep. We're gonna have to try this. Boing. He's also weak to headbutt. Excellent. I'm not gonna lie, he looks strong to fire, but... Oh no, he's also weak to fire. It's just like the Pokemon. Well, the Animon is weak. Yeah, I'm not even mad that he's targeting him. He's the sort of weak link of the chain. That did a lot of damage, and there was a crit damage. Yeah, I'm not mad. These two guys should finish the work pretty easily as well. It's a shame, as you guys can see, I can't catch him. Best I can do is scan him. But I'm not gonna do that. I don't think there's a point. Just gonna head. Do we want to try Hydrojet? Probably not. We know Headbutt is weak. He's weak against Headbutt, so we're just gonna do that. There we go. Perfection. Headbutt again. And GG's. It's a shame we couldn't capture him. I would have really loved an animal like this in my team. Well, over 1,000 XP is a whole damn lot. Yes, we finished the tutorial. Peak. What is this? Trigger Geopower. Confused that. Who the hell is Trey? How do I do it though? It doesn't explain it. Okay. What you do? Listen, why don't you join us? We have a kick ass. I'm surprised they used kick ass as a wording, because it's meant to be sort of a kids game, isn't it? There we go. Now we get to meet the final boss. Is that smoke? There is something I want to see before. System. No, right? It doesn't let me see it. Shame. I was gonna see, like, why it doesn't let me... Why it calls me Trey. Let's try this. Is it like this? Like, same old, same old? No. Yeah, okay. Cool. It's really cool to know. Well, now I just want to break all of them then. Let's go. Wait, so maybe... I'm a bit confused. I know there's the staircase to go back, but I do want to eliminate some. Because they're probably not going to respawn. if I had to take a wild guess. So if I just destroyed them now, okay, that was plenty. So I just want to see if I go here. These are new staircases. We've never been here, I'm pretty sure. Maybe we have. Maybe, maybe not. No, definitely not. It doesn't even give us a lantern. Not a lantern, sorry, a fountain. Oh my goodness. No, okay, see, so this is the next evolution of the other dude. And I'm pretty confident that Animons. Yeah, they're fucked up. Yo, what the hell is this? What the hell is this lizard? You're coming with. See, how about no? Level 16. Like something really messed me up last time. I don't know. Well, apparently and I should have thought about it. It's kind of my fault, to be fair. Apparently the Lumentale music in the background is copyrighted. And guess who left the whole music? Nice. While there was the gameplay on the whole time last video, yeah, it was me. No way. They make it respawn. That's silly. That's okay though. It's nothing crazy. So yeah, this video, as you guys can hear, I have no music at all. I'm probably just gonna add some in the background myself. I'm gonna find some cool copyright-free music, because even though, oh no, what happened here? What a mess. Well, I figured, my boy. Uncle, where is Uncle? Well, the thing is, I'm not even healed. I hope there's the fountain. Oh, don't let me go like this. Hammond. See, we might be onto something. See, I quite like that there's sort of like the story progression like this. Damn, the whole town is in ruins. I quite like that. Quite like that. Okay, so we can't go here. Is it literally telling me to go out the city and... Yeah, it is. Okay. So probably just intends for me to do something like this, I'm assuming. So this is blocked. No, you're probably like 3 or 4 levels higher than me. Oh, see, I knew what was there. Hold on. For Lumen's tools and the old gym, but suddenly everything starts to shake and collapse. I'm not hurt, but I can't get out. Can you help me? Yeah, sure, but how? I don't think any sort of workout could help you in that situation. Why did they call me Trey? Oh no, I call myself Trophy Junior. Oh no. Well, I quite like the name Trey anyway. This is terrible. What the hell is this? I get distracted really easily, my apologies. Is this a puzzle? Oh, this is how you practice. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. Nothing too crazy. What the hell is this? I know this is what we went last time. It levels enter? Oh, okay. Okay. So if I go here this time, is there a pathway here? Yeah, seems like it. See, this is what I call an epic ass Pokemon. Reminds me of Oh-Oh. in the training card collection that I do in Pokemon, Oh was the first legendary Pokemon I collected. I had I'm not sure if you guys know about half cards. We had to complete like a painting with another card. Was that when I was a kid? Unfortunately, lost it. It's gone. That was my first card, and he looks tremendously sick. Yo, he just tossed it. Yo, she was a ball. Like she was a potato sack. Can you tell me that you're not like level 18 because I would die instantly? Like, how the hell do you want me to fight? 14. I think I could take him. Okay, no, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I cannot. One attack demolished one of my Pokemons. So first of all, I want to see something. Wait, what? Okay, yeah, doesn't let me. So let's do this. Oh my goodness, this is not looking great. And okay, so the only effective attack that I have just missed. How am I meant to kill this guy? How the hell am I meant to kill this guy? I need my Animons to be level 20. Minimum. Like, as I always say, I'm glad that he went for him because he's the weak link of the chain, but still, that's not gonna really do anything. 11 damage. Like, I know Hydro Jet will do. He keeps missing. What? Well, GG's, I guess. He literally is about to two-shot me. What the hell? Let me try Dazzling Flash. It does absolutely nothing. And I'm so confused. It says accuracy is 100. I'm gonna try one more time because there's a tip. Oh no, it didn't. How is this possible? See, I knew this was weak, but what do you want me to do? I'd have to capture like 3 more water Pokemons. Not Pokemons, Animons. There's nothing I can do. Genuinely. Hydrojet. He keeps, like, it says like 100% accuracy, but then he misses. No, bro. Well, there's no point. I'm just gonna attack him. It's gonna bring me to a top 10. I'm just gonna level up my Animons again. That's not gonna change anything. He's got 3 health bars. He just missed. That's peak. I'm just gonna have to capture more of these guys. What can I say? How many can I hold in a team? Like 5? Yeah. 4. I'm not gonna lie, the little... Oh, that's actually quite cool. How do I get rid of the... Let me see. We're gonna have to see this one. Move into the... I'm so lost. Oh no, okay. Oh no, it says I can hold up to 6. Oh, still, I'm just gonna go back to the forest. Yeah, yes, sir. Actually, I'm gonna do you one better. I'm gonna bring this guy back on the team for half a second. So you guys remember when we went down? We saw the the evolved version of like what like the head butter. I like don't remember. Like down here. What if we got this you don't we saw the evolved version. Where is he gone? I think we could maybe capture him. That's a shame. Okay. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna go back and capture more of the high levels. This was a very long episode. I quite enjoyed myself. I hope you guys did too. Oh, flip's sake, I have to go all the way around every single time. I'm gonna go from this side. I can't. Okay. I'm going to go all the way around. Let me see if the massive headbutt guy spawns. Doesn't seem like it. Just two guys of the small ones. Shame. Oh yeah, it did. Is that it? Is that it? Let us see. Oh yes, it is. I'm gonna capture this guy. Level 12. I'm afraid he's weak. He's level 12. He's gonna be able to handle it. He's a big boy. Yeah, okay. I'm not gonna attack him again. See, I'm confused. Sometimes it'll. There you go. Oh, be good. Excellent. Excellent. Whoop. 360. Quite peak. I'm just quickly gonna have a look at his moveset. Does it not let me? So run. So this is like poison. Okay. But doesn't have any like moves. I don't think I want him. Alright. We're ready to face the big guy. There we go. However, is it here? However, we're not gonna go up. We're gonna stay here. And as I said yesterday, as naked as I am, I'll see you in the next one.